take the dogs hunting with me. By the way, this is just a role play. It's all for fun. I'm gonna be taking Alaska and Oak. First, I got out Alaska. Oak was really excited. And then we went to the hunting grounds. Alaska was the first to spot a rabbit. I told him to release it, and then the rabbit ran away. And then Oak found his own rabbit, but the rabbit ended up getting away. He eventually found the rabbit again. He took it all the way back to Alaska, and then we let it go. And then we went to the pond where Oak got in immediately. Alaska just sat on his floaty. We were about to leave when we saw a fish. Oak jumped right in to get it. He eventually caught the fish and brought it all the way back to shore. We were able to get the fish, and then we went back home. And then I fed them, and they each got a little bit of the fish. That's it. Bye!